Hello DV besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we are doing something very special and we are talking about 5 things that we have added lately on the Design Bundles or DTF site that you might not know about, but you probably will want to know. Before we get into it though, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, what are you even doing? Go subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing, because we are back here every single week with all the crafty tips, tricks, and tutorials, and you don't want to miss it. So go do that, then come back and let's talk about the 5 things we've added lately. There's 2.5 on DTF printer and 2.5 on Design Bundles, and that will make sense in just a minute. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is on Design Bundles. This is a huge new feature that we just rolled out. A lot of you have talked about the difficulty with downloading files, or really just that it's kind of a clunky process and you'd like to see it be simpler. We felt the same way, so we decided to prioritize it. And please look at how great this new download screen is. So I just went to Plus membership. If you're not a Plus member and you can't download these files, by the way, now is a great time to start a free trial. If you start a free trial with us, you can access everything that Plus members can access. You can download files in the Plus library. You can use all of our tools, including Easy Edits, Craft Designer, Illustrate AI. All of these help you create your own cut files and edit them and embellish them to your liking. So I highly encourage you to start a free trial if you've never started a free trial with us. Go play with all those things, see if it's the right fit for you. If you already are a Plus member, leave a comment down below and let us know what you love about your Plus membership. But I digress. Back to the Plus library. So now when I hit download, it's not going to take me to another page. It's just going to open this little pop-up and I can actually download the individual files that are included in this package without having to download a zip file and then unzip it and then do all that. So you can literally just download it right from this screen and even pick the file type you want when you click download, which is super snazzy. I'll show it to you on another file really quick. So let's say I liked this little bear clip art. I hit download. Here's all the different files that are included in that file package. You can pick whichever one you want, click download, and then you can download the file types from the file types that are available. In this case, it's just a PNG. Let's look at one that includes SVGs, like these glass can wraps. Here's all the can wraps that are included in that package. So many great ones, by the way. I'm just gonna pick whichever one I want and click download, and then I can download the file type from the file types that are available. So it looks like for these, it's a mixture of PNGs. Some of them have SVG or DXF files, and that will be filtered by whichever one you pick. So super cool, a much easier download process. We hope you love it as much as we do. On to the second new addition. The second new addition is on dtfprinter.com, and this one is really exciting if you're uploading your own images to make gang sheets. So if I go to build a DTF gang sheet, oh look, I already have one that I was working on that's pre-built. So some of these images, their upload size is kind of small. Like this one is only 4 inches by 1.15, so I have it as like a little pocket logo right now. So you can see that the original size, it's not big enough for like a full front on a shirt. Well, now there's built-in image enhance on dtfprinter.com, so you don't have to go enhance your image somewhere else. You don't have to go find a way to make the image file bigger. For just $1, we will enhance the image for you on the back end to fit the size of whatever project you're wanting to do. And it's that simple, it's just a couple clicks. So if I wanted to do it with this little tennis racket one down here, I would scroll down. You can see that for any of these bigger sized projects, DTF Printer is telling me I'm gonna have to enhance my image because the one I uploaded is too small. So if I click on it, it's gonna enhance it automatically. And then when you go to get your price at checkout, it's gonna tell you the total of the enhancements you've selected. So this is wonderful for all of us out there who are not as tech savvy, who don't know how to enhance our images, or maybe you just don't want to because it's time consuming and it can be like really finicky sometimes to try to do that on your own. So no matter where you get your image, no matter how you made your image, you can now make sure it fits for whatever size project you want to make by using our built-in enhancement tool. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 is also found on the DTF printer site, and it is right here at the top. You can now order UV DTF and DTF in the same order. This has been something that people have been asking for a long time, and it took us a little bit of work, but we were committed to getting it done for you. And that is that you can order a DTF gang sheet and a UV DTF gang sheet in the exact same order now. So you see I've got all my stuff uploaded as DTF. I can toggle over to UV DTF, and now this is a UV DTF sheet, and I can add those to the cart at any time I want. So you no longer have to do separate orders for different kinds of DTF, which is super exciting. So another new thing we've been doing at Design Bundles is we have a wonderful onboarding initiative now to bring in new designers, fresh designs, and new things to the Design Bundles Plus membership and to the Plus library. So maybe you've been seeing, we've been posting about them on social media as we get some new ones. We've been trying to highlight them, but that's something that's really important to us, is to make sure we have fresh designs and fresh designers that are included in Plus membership. We always want your value with Plus membership to be more than what you're paying for it. So that's something we are really excited to talk about, and we're getting lots of really cool designers, and some of them are actually in spaces and crafting styles that we haven't really typically had before. We just added a macrame designer, which is very cool. So if you want to get into macrame, now's your chance because we have a new macrame designer. Okay, so I've just pulled up our Instagram page really fast. I'm going to show you where we've been featuring these new designers so you can be on the lookout. If you're not following us on Instagram, be following us on Instagram. We post lots of cool stuff. But we also post some of these new designers just to highlight them, and it may get you interested in a new craft. So you can see here's one right here. We have a new storefront that is all embroidery files. They are so cute. This is Nations Embroidery. A lot of them are really intricate and fun. So if you're into more complex embroidery designs, you have a machine that can do several colors. These are awesome. So that's one of the new ones. Another new one, oh yeah, here is the macrame one I was telling you about. This is so cool. So this shop actually does really cool macrame art. It's UE macrame. And not only do they have really great designs, but they also include videos with all of their designs. So it'll walk you through how to do it. So again, if you're wanting to pick up a new hobby, this is the storefront for you. And all of these are included with Plus. So we'll be posting more as we get more, but it's an initiative of ours right now to bring on new designers, give you even more versatility with your Plus membership. Go check it out. So another thing we've been doing are pre-built gang sheets. So what this is instead of just purchasing an entire gang sheet, we've started creating pre-builds that we're gonna be releasing through special events, also through the DB Besties page. So if you're not a DB Bestie, we'll put the link in the description below. It is the best Facebook group for crafters on the planet. Such a wonderful community of crafters. Great for inspiration, great for having questions answered, great for answering other people's questions. It's truly just a wonderful group, but it's also the place where we release things before we tell anybody else. And one of those things is pre-builds. So I'm super excited about this because sometimes we have a whole bunch of designs that we love, but you might not want to purchase that entire gang sheet because maybe there's 2 or 3 designs on there that you're really not a fan of, or maybe you love the design but you want it in a different size, or maybe you love a design and you wish you could have 5 of that design instead of just 1, but if you order the gang sheet, you get what you get. We've solved that problem with pre-builds. So now we're going to be posting a link to a pre-built gang sheet. You will get a discount on that gang sheet, but you can customize it to your heart's content. So here's an example of one that is coming soon to the DB Besties page. So be on the lookout for it. It's not released yet. I've been working on it for you, but this is shirts for all occasions, and it's seasonal things, but it kind of carries you through the year. And we've got all these fun designs on here, but the thing that's wonderful about it is you get all the designs included. They are exclusive and you get them included in the pre-builds. You don't have to pay for these designs, but you can change the size of them. Maybe you want this to be a pocket logo instead, you can change that. Maybe you don't want some of these designs, so you can get rid of them and save yourself some money. Maybe you love this one and you want to gift one to a friend. You can change the quantity right here. There's tons you can do to customize these pre-builds, but you're still getting the exclusive designs and you're still getting a discount. So I'm super excited we're offering this. It's something that I've really been looking forward to, and you should be glued to the DB Besties page so you don't miss them, because we're gonna be starting to release them. And make sure you're on our email list as well, which we will put in the description of this video, because we also are gonna be sending out links to these periodically through our email list. Okay, friends, that is 5 things that is new on the design bundle site or the DTF site, or kind of a combination of both in some cases. I hope you are loving all the updates we're making. Let me know in the comments what your favorite update is that's rolling out soon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Concerns, fan mail, hate mail, leave it all in the comments. We will read it and get back to you. But I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. I love you all, and until next time, happy crafting.